In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Microsoft Teams before joining a meeting. This is a simple way to add a professional touch, reduce distractions, and keep your space private, especially helpful if you're working from home. Start by heading to the Microsoft Teams website. When you arrive, sign in with your account to access your workspace. Once you're signed in, you'll see the full set of Teams features, including your calendar, which is where your upcoming meetings are listed. It's a good habit to glance at your schedule so you know what's ahead and can prepare accordingly. Next, go to the calendar section. This view shows all your meetings and events. Find the meeting you want to join, whether it's starting soon or scheduled for later, and open it to see the details. When you're ready, select Join. Teams may ask whether you want to use the web version or the desktop app. Choose the option that fits your setup. The web version is convenient if you're on a shared device, while the desktop app can be more consistent if you use Teams regularly. Before you actually enter the meeting, you'll land on a preview screen. This is your chance to make sure everything looks and sounds right. Check your camera framing, confirm your lighting is balanced, and make sure your microphone and speakers are set to the correct devices. Adjusting these now helps you join smoothly without fumbling once you're live. In the video settings on this preview screen, look for background filters. Click it to open the background selection menu. You'll see a variety of preset options ranging from clean, office-like scenes to more casual designs. Pick something that matches the tone of your meeting. Neutral backgrounds are great for formal calls, while softer designs can work well for informal check-ins. Browse through the options and select the one you like. You'll see a live preview next to your camera feed, which helps you confirm it looks natural. If your edges appear fuzzy, try sitting a bit farther from the camera or making sure your face is well lit. When you're happy with how it looks, you're good to go. Now, join the meeting with your new background in place. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you present yourself and how focused your meeting feels. And that's how you change your Microsoft Teams background before a meeting. Take a moment to experiment with the available choices and find one that fits your style and the situation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads.